That look real good. I'll make me one if I knew how to cook it though. Let's get started. Might as well. What happened? Oh, wait. Ooh, crunchy too. Ooh, I want that. If I want what? Egg, spoon, sugar, yolks. That must be the flour, the sugar. Should look like cocaine, salt. Mixed it all up. What is that, teddy bear? I think that's the warm water. Look at that teddy bear over there, looking so cool. I know that's butter. Mix it all up. Put a smiley face on the eggs. That's funny. Like the egg was winking at you. Now you put it in another bowl. I don't know what them words say, but I think that's food type of words. Yo, mixed it all up. Now it look crunchy though. Look like you're trying to roll it up in a ball. Oh, I knew it. Look like a vanilla ball. My hand's kind of rough. I can't do that. No lie, I eat that. Just not being ready yet. Wait, what's the hot dogs for? 3 sauces. Oh, you must be making a corn dog. Never seen that cheese before. That's a perfect knife. I need that knife. But my mama wanted them knife. Yeah, corn dog. Yeah. Oh, okay. Wait, what? How you supposed to do that? Now I'm really surprised how you gonna do this. Okay, now you got the flaming hots. Should have did with the hot bag, the black bag though. I would have did that, but hey, that's him. Crunch it all up. I used to eat that like a kid too. When I was a kid, crunch it up in a bag still. So he got an egg like that again. Look at that teddy bear. Oh my god. Cookie dough. I'm lying, that's not cookie dough. Oh, he dividing them up. I'm gonna write this down after the week done with this video. Wait, what? Oh, you wrap it up. Okay. Not gonna lie, I'm curious how this gonna look. Oh, you wrap the corn dog up. Is that paint? Hold on. I don't know if that paint or something else. And then you roll around in the Cheetos. Okay, that looks good. Did he use one bag or 2 bags? Probably 2 bags. I can't do that in my kitchen. I can't do that. Because I know I'll make a big mess with this. I know I can. Then I gotta clean it up. One thing I don't like doing is cleaning up my mess. I have to, but still, making a mess, then I gotta clean it up later. And now, I'm probably doing all that. That's why I'm gonna be trying recipes like that. Oh, it sounds crunchy when you get it out the grease. What are you putting cheese on it? I would put nacho cheese on it. Oh, look at the crunch. The crunchy. I need it. How much would he send that to me? I'll pay for that. It's just like a cheese stick, just with flaming hot sauce. Hold on. Is he eating it? Oh, he is eating it. Hey, I want some for another bite. It's just like a cheese stick, but wrapped up in flaming hot crunchy curls or something like that. Oh my god, that sounds so good. I'm hungry now. The way he chewing sound like it's real good to eat. Is that mustard? He nasty as hell. It better be cheese. I don't know what that was. Wait, what he's doing now? He better not be making milk. Oh, brown sugar? What is he doing? Please be hot chocolate. Oh, he just blew me with that. I thought he was faking. Thought he